Started a boom in Taiwan of buying baby orangutans as pets.
Della.
It's now illegal to buy them, but there are still orangs living in family homes. Many have become too big and dangerous to care for. They then get cast out, and Pingtung is the only place to provide refuge for these critically endangered apes. Jim and Alison were here on a previous visit when a large male was caught roaming a city. In an attempt to catch
Della.
the stone orangutan, two
Della.
were taken to hospital.
Della.
Eventually captured, he was brought to the center.
What's this?
Named Tuan, which means friend. It seems that
Oh ho 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 ho! What's this?
some time with him, Jeremy discovered that he was a peaceful guy.
Oh baby, what is it? Hey, don't turn your bum to the camera. What is it? Oh, it's a raggy. It's a raggy. Della. Della, you want pieces? You want pieces? Do you want biscuit? Oh, ready? Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. See? Oh, what's in here? The cupboard of doom. Da da da. Da da da. Whoa! What is it? What is it? What is it? Come on then. Come on then. What is it? What is it? Sit up nice. Sit up, Bonnie. Sit up. Come on then. Are you ready? Della. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Della, say please. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Oh, clever girl. Clever girl. Della, down. Good girl. Good girl. Ready. Della, over. Over. Come on. You don't know this one really, do you? Come on. Over. Over. Hey! Good girl. Good girl. Della. Sit. Ready? Heel up. Della, heel. Sit. No, that wasn't quite good. Della, heel. Sit. Good girl. Oh, look at my spotty. Nicely. Nicely. Gentle. Gentle. Good girl. Della. Oh, you preempted that. Della. Up. Sit up. Okay then. Down. Della, down. Good girl. Della, over. 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 Oh, clever girl. Clever girl. Clever girl. Here. Come here. Sit. Say hi to Amy. Say hi to Amy. Here. Give me a paw. Here. What's this? Della. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Oh, say hi. Hi.